Some of our Cassibian Famra, Adom TV, so Adom TV, so good you may do say, I can see him some pie, Sakan or Pensujao. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year catch back pay, the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports, the original Wallace. The nation's presenter and a messing kunya econ quantum coordinates small dress can not pencil view our Ghana with him age out. Shannon say game park games and a 30 only the eagerly anticipated pick one game no an aba arrival with the bank but more the other side who beat me Jimmy beating boa and maniama 18 to 2 years only moving with chair and found Jim National Authority phone paying for 30 and the game park games and common so 8 me aba yes just and EPL and run matches out with 20 PM Chelsea Newcastle United each from a couple nights and PM no and Chelsea for more dear now wrestling the Mexico so Newcastle for now wasn't it me equatom kuma so but anything to UEFA Champions League and the matches na 8 years that was so uninterrupted na me adoma the updates in Bebre was 94.7 FM na Adom 106.3 FM so tiano we TV do so kakra e the account Arsenal wo any FC Porto and be share kan Barcelona and Napoli e the akense no e betimi abo so afemetiatom e we yedim African Games the 13th edition Accra 2023 na enra African Games na sene na any campus spectacular display ana etimi SA2 dwa na Ghana ani abrantie fensa Beku Jackson ye kan kofo atu nsum dware a abrantie ndi makotene pa na bucket ma dware crowd ni na utu nsum dware na wakọ best don hwede kakra bi no na enye betesa but Beku Jackson ebegu hard 100 meters butterfly final today ene ana sanche sonko no ebetia baso tunyani a na odwani a kire airport Timan Sports Complex ho na akohwe 100 meters butterfly final no Ghana ni abranti Beku Jackson promise nyame adoma obedware pata enya sem ketwa kra wrestling atentam so no yelusu to Congo fo enra e was Sakens kesi timesa to John but beach volleyball and timesa kire bobere chitogo fo twom 2-1 e was Sakens kesi timesa to John wani akoma na hwese na gro no esi koe 2023 Ghana yeni AJCSS so nemani bi ho a enhye dan tutu ye no minister mayati asese ene yafina hockey equipment nyama bi omoto no afina abedu nti be start hockey later on some of the games no nti munya botrema bibia betimi atoto fem kama e de amagana na mum enye se ye medals do no kra ne omobota omo hwanim se kwa bia so betinya successful competition e odwumadi betimi se pim no na yenti ntoma Nigeria for omso eminent na fam no ye ka nkofo asebenya do ompagya kamuna de mu do a Nigeria for winning gold enra sika ukọ ana omogie na enam senior first odifo ekopiem o GCB ho eho ana eka mu na de pagya no ekoso atoafo kakra Nigeria for omo winning gold omo ben ya West African neighbors omo ben he ya omo winning gold na odifo report no ana yehwe anim se nyame adom sabe ka fi GCB ho ana esa dwede kese netmensa atofem ti yankum na enhwe se sabe ka Nigeria for omo egoda omo gie enti mo yebu ye negu no so ti mu fanche kakra na yenkom ha na sports minister eno a honorable Yusuf Mustafa tun sa defense central for nyom nkwala omo mpanyimfo tuturutu na ehwetwetwetwom yekopie mo na edi nsa so kakra na nkomo didiem no ode nkomo kakra defense to dwa se nei amafo nya botre na emse omo tese cycling for say ohwese na city a omo bicycle nekitom da de ni mu edudodo na ye de fiber bicycles aba from ankwati mi bo ma ode race ti mekoyi ti du ba bi at a point no cycling for no kwa no cyclists obejina mama Ghana opulu out so ntimi nkobio ambulance a so obi so hoto chima ye de behwe no so ambulance no so esi fuel petrol de begum no ese no so na ebi ni ho ti cyclists no esi the way they too risky and very dangerous into wrestling Mexico so nya de omutimi san koye other federations no e de omko bi netia ba enye nkoma e de kra mobo e de afa eye All African Games no but enra ukọ eye nano ada ye opening game Black Princesses and so the boss so so Mackenzie no so omogu so bona first half na light of free nti cheya sana kania neba omo point cry san another light of free na say players ne e quarter na nim no na say supporters ne de omo phone aso touch lighter je say ye de ehwekom e de amom na enra Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa addresses our complaints we are and also TMPP.
We requested for the various equipment from all the confederations and the federations. The equipment that they are going to use for the games. And when they submitted their list, we went through with them and the equipment was procured and delivered to all the federations. For basketball, the federation had defeated here. Basketball alone, we spent not less than $500,000 to procure equipment for basketball. And aside this, we have procured international. All these equipment are for international standard that we are going to be used to for our various competitions and even training beyond the game. So it is something that we should be proud of as a country, that for the legacies of the African Games, we are going to have more modern and world standard equipment for our teams.
As a Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, and our tenant can say, or then come Aja, a fasten and Yama is Yaku, nothing so. Say, my request for equipment with Bediama, the various federations, no, almost any so between you Sunabwa, Emaniama, Etmia Quinty. If it's a very good name about 2 years, but I say a Becca Chica Cardia, but Ninamo, Yanfanisana, a Resa Betiabua, Emaniama, Etmi, Akuyanko, Meda table, no so fair overall Meda table, so far, baby, Yama Esiako, I want to share who don't so Etwin Pim, no hair, Meda table, no so, there's any campa. Media eating so far the Egypt 4 and that first almost 84 medals. Media modern Egypt fire there. Baby, I will be a moment and yeah, one more 47 gold, 19 silver medals, and then 18 bronze medals. Nigeria photos now also 16 gold, 10 silver medals, and 15 bronze medals. A total of 41 medals, and also third near Nigeria first I had there almost 15 gold medals, 20 silver medals, 20 bronze medals, and making it 55 medals. I feel so fourth in South Africa for the Uhetivia, Ubehu fourth in fourth no almost 12 gold medals, 15 silver medals, 22 bronze medals, and 49 in total. Now, Fe Oba Omasia, there's a Mauritius for Ejinamo, Mauritius for Cratch on Bobre, 3 gold medals, 3 silver medals, and then 1 bronze medal. Mujumedia Omudima, total of 7. And yentia 7 no epejo mabasro na 11 e do masene se good na ne modu ti good me nsade enyasem ketwa kura nti west mercy koso 7 so ya ne modu bronze no je mo a na ese ntimi mpushu kese kura Madagascar for that so 6 e honom so 3 gold medals and that feels so 2 silver medals and then 6 16 bronze medals and 27 in total. Tunisia for the 7th it is Shenusubiu so Tunisia for no 2 gold medals. 9 silver medals and then 16 bronze medals, making it 27. But still, one more Eshe, Mauritius, and Madagascar for say. Morocco at the 8th Hona Morocco and Sudan. Morocco so 2 gold medals, 6 silver medals, 5 bronze medals, and then 13 in total. Afe Uganda at the 9th. Now Uganda 9th for no Sudan, or 1 gold medal, or 3 silver medals, and then 3 bronze medals, until making 7 medals in total. Afi Ghana ye da 10th medal table no so na ohwemo ne sene nema esitia na say 1 gold medal you 3 silver medals bronze di nyenya bie nti a total of 4 medals ana Ghana wo Ghana medals ne ensesan fie no na dwona machina bepem this time no ensesan be bia e wo no e hwa ne wo Namibia 4 and the 11th my found see 11 here na 11 no gold e ba ko e ho ma Namibia 2 silver medals and then 2 bronze medals in making a total of 15 medals. In Ghana, first 10 year count, but mesa update table no already. So Tiano was sharing na at the Hong Kong Council at Message and run a joe quite much in competitions, maybe a cocoa so on my fine. But maybe a 2 miserable channels, Mam say Ghana Premier League Week 20 match by quit of them has 1 Tanabo 4-1 and you gamer it may sound 2 jar with me some part na any can ye pa na has food him say was oga hope no one more equal point in the bottom ko check point no a game park games the eagerly anticipated pick 1 game letting about arrival the bank choose your favorite number from 1 to 36 now get ready for the excitement will be unveil the lucky number na ona okono Mesrawa ubeti mepwa from 1 Ghana cedis and kopem 350 Ghana cedis udi 26 times to stake na boa e maniema etian kwedema pick 1 game no and I made one dance the amount no star 946 hash star 946 hash all networks between there too uko gameparkgames.com so between ato and afi Adom TV at 9 am and at 12 noon e we akata ban so near the draw na airpem so 6 pm and also between the we between the nopa we dey we send the enwumre game park games here one more brutal from Sunday to Monday one more the chachana 18 December game park games more mula or say more power we are regulated by the National Authority only move from train for him chacha di when you bet your so wadwum betia hyehye kakra oda se be hu betia kokko ne ade ntimi sew na ode adwene kakra so atimi ato we mu ene sponsors ne mu etoturu ne ahwehwere twa mu ta chire boaye emana no pay ye den komo no ejaw we did the prof Ikiwala sagudie catch back up updates on African games no ye be koso a ade abro ho sene nema esitie ewo na mu hye no smam se enwumre bia from 10 to 11 ye sense kunya the African Games show no eba so Adom TV so from 10 to 11 and adwede sum ya bo bibia awie no na ya be rap ni na aboni na aboa e de amount mi so ya no join e we discussions no na fi we hwe e video saudra e twen say PPMT e ba woni asenya wo da bibiri 10 to 11 enwumre bia Monday to Friday ya de san share so kono so e bitini abro. The act of being a good guest is to know to say good morning.